Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change password on Threads account. And here's how it is done. Changing your password is important for keeping your account secure, and the process is simple and consistent. Start by opening the Threads app on your device. To access your profile, tap the profile icon in the lower right corner of your screen. Next, look for the two small lines at the top right corner. Just beside the Instagram logo, tap on those lines. Then select Account and go to Security. This will redirect you to the Instagram app. Once there, select the Change Password option. This will log you out of all active sessions except for the one you are currently using. To ensure your account remains secure in case of any unauthorized access attempts, when setting a new password, make sure it is at least 6 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling in your current password, enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Once everything is filled out, click Change Password. Remember, your Threads account is closely linked to your Instagram account. That is everything you need to know about how to change password on Threads account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.